Login loop error on Atom Bank fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on the Atom Bank app where you log in, see the loading screen, and then get thrown back to the start, you're definitely not alone. This frustrating glitch usually isn't about your password or account. The surprising truth is that it's almost always a cache or authentication sync issue. Atom Bank uses strong security, encryption and session tokens to verify every login. When those tokens get out of sync or the app cache gets corrupted, the system does recognize your session, so it starts the login process over and over. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, close the Atom Bank app completely. Then go to your device settings, find Atom Bank and clear its cache and stored data. This clears any expired tokens or faulty session files. Next, check for updates in your app store. Atom frequently releases security patches that correct login issues, and having an outdated version can cause mismatches between your app and the server. After updating, open the app again and log in manually. Avoid using autofill or fingerprint login for the first try. If the app asks for verification via PIN or passcode, complete it right away without switching apps. Timing out during that process can cause the loop to restart. If the loop persists, turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. Atom Bank's authentication servers sometimes reject logins from masked addresses for security reasons. Also, make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Authentication systems rely on accurate timestamps to confirm your identity, and even a few seconds delay can break the login chain. Once everything's refreshed and synced, try again. You should now be able to log in normally and see your account dashboard. So, the next time Atom Bank traps you in a login loop, don't panic. It's not a major system failure, it's just a local cache hiccup. Clear it out, update your app, and your account will load smoothly again.